Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious cinnamon rolls. So in case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our dough. I'm going to be using my stand mixer, but of course you can always use your hands to do this step. So to my stand mixer, I'm going to be adding 550 grams of sifted flour, along with half a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt. I'm going to grate a little bit of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 5 tablespoons of butter. We're going to begin to mix, and slowly we're going to add 1 cup of warm milk. And I microwave my milk for 45 seconds. So we're just going to allow all of our ingredients to incorporate. Okay, so once all of our ingredients are incorporated together, now we're going to turn up the speed to medium and allow it to mix for 10 minutes until we have a smooth dough. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our dough is ready. So now we're going to grease our bowl where we're going to allow our dough to rest. So just make sure that you grease it well. Okay, we're going to grab our dough. And the dough's still a little sticky, but that's what you want. So just grab your ball of dough and just kind of shape it to a big ball. Throw it in your bowl. Make sure that you grease the top. Cover it. And we're going to allow it to rest for 1 hour. Make sure that you put it in a warm place. Alrighty, and after the hour, our dough is ready. So now we can get ready to shape our cinnamon buns. Okay, before we shape our cinnamon buns, we're going to get our baking dish ready. So I'm just going to be greasing it. Make sure that you get the sides. Now we can set them to the side. Okay, so for our filling, we're going to be needing 1 stick of butter and 1.5 cups of brown sugar with 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. Okay, so I'm just going to mix the cinnamon and sugar together. All right, so we're just going to punch out the air out of our dough. Okay, we're going to get it out. Make sure that you get all of the air out. Okay, and now we're going to shape our dough into a big rectangle. So just begin to roll it out. Roll it and shape it. So once we roll out our dough about 1/4 inch thick, and I like to use my finger as the guidance. So as you can see, for me this is perfect. So now we are ready to add our filling. So we're going to add our butter, and make sure that your butter is at room temperature, so like that it spreads evenly. Okay, so once it's nice and butter, we're going to sprinkle our cinnamon sugar. Make sure that you break down the little rocks of sugar, and just make sure that it gets fully coated. Okay, so now just press it down. Okay, so now we're going to get ready for the fun part, to roll it. So I'm just going to stretch out the edge of the dough. Okay, so we're going to be rolling the long way. Just go easy and begin to roll. Okay, so just roll it. Kind of pull it and roll. And we're going to pull it out a little, and just make sure that you add a butter, so like that it seals. Okay, and once we have our log, now we are ready to cut it and divide our cinnamon rolls. Okay, so I'm just going to cut out the ends, so like that my cinnamon rolls are nice and even. We're still going to bake them, but okay, now we're going to cut in the middle and begin to divide them. Just like that. And now we're going to place them in our baking dish. So grab them and place them. And make sure that you give them enough space because they're still going to rise. So we're just going to do 3 in one row. Like that. Okay, so now we're just going to cover them, place them back in our warm place, and allow them to rise for about 30 to 45 minutes, just until they double in size. Alrighty guys, so after 45 minutes, this is what our cinnamon rolls should look like. So at this point, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Alrighty, so once our oven's ready, we're going to bake between 18 to 20 minutes. And while we wait, we're going to make our icing. We're going to be beating 4 tablespoons of butter, along with 4 ounces of cream cheese. Make sure that they are room temperature. So just mix them until they're nice and creamy. Okay, so once you have that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk. And now just mix it all together. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our icing. Alrighty, and after 18 minutes, our cinnamon rolls are ready. So we're going to allow them to cool down for about 5 minutes, and then we can add our icing. Okay, and after 5 minutes, we can add our icing to our cinnamon rolls. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we have our super easy and delicious cinnamon rolls. So now just grab your spoon or your spatula and serve. Alrighty, and just like that, now we can get ready to enjoy. And they are so soft. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. Cinnamon rolls are seriously the best when they're homemade, and they are super easy to make. So cheers and enjoy. They're so soft. They're seriously the best. So good. And they're perfect. And of course, you know, I like to enjoy them when they're nice and warm. So I am ready. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious cinnamon rolls. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.